Hey guys, today we're gonna be making hot Cheeto elotes. Okay, here's what you'll need. Of course, you're gonna need some corn, and you're also gonna need some mayo and some cotija cheese. All this stuff I got from Walmart, by the way. So here's the cotija cheese. It's a block, but we're gonna shred it. Some butter and some hot Cheetos. Okay, so we're gonna start by peeling, rinsing, and putting our corn in a pot with some water. We're gonna let that cook for 20 minutes, and I also did add some butter right when it started to boil, and I cooked that for about 20 minutes like I said. Okay, and while you let your corn cool, you're gonna want to blend up your Cheetos to make them into your powder. I did about 2 cups of Cheetos, and this is what they look like once they're all nice and blended. I had both the extra hot and just the regular hot Cheetos, but we went with the regular hot Cheetos. Okay, so now for the fun part. You're gonna want to dry off your corn so the mayo can actually stick to it. Once your corn is nice and dry, you're gonna want to rub your mayo all over your corn. Make sure you get all the spots so everything can stick to it nicely. Wow, I was at Walmart. I totally forgot to buy the sticks. So that's why I'm here struggling with my corn. If you have the sticks, I would recommend you using them because it would be much easier. Here's my cotija cheese already shredded, so I'm just gonna swirl it in there and get some cheese on there, and then do the same thing with the hot Cheeto powder. Here I'm just making sure I get everything nicely covered and coated. Okay, so there it's all nicely coated. And for this last step, you're just gonna want to grab your liquid butter and just spray some butter on there. And there you have it, hot Cheeto elotes.
Oops. Well then,